So as you see here we have Elizabeth from Norway. Hi Elizabeth.
Hi.
This is her style. We will change it, the color and the whole style. We will make a lovely, nice, different, trendy hairstyle. And you will see the result later when we come back. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Back now with Elizabeth, and this is the color. We just washed it, we colored her hair, and now we will do the lovely haircut, and you will see the different, the change we will do for her. See you later. Bye. Again with Elizabeth from Norway, and this is the result from her hair color and the haircut we did for her today. As you see, a lovely length, nice, and the color is beautiful, natural color. And this is the fringe also. Let me take you to the front. So Elizabeth, do you like your haircut?
I love my haircut.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you for visiting us here in Vivyan Hair Design. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ben.